Hey everyone, I'm going to show you my updated routine on how I cover my blemishes along with this eye makeup I created using the Bold Burgundy Essentials palette. For my skin, I'm combining 1 pump of Skin Longwear Weightless foundation with 1 pump of Illuminating Moisture Balm to create a long-wearing, lightweight tinted moisturizer. Apply the foundation where you want the most coverage, then blend with your brush. Don't worry if you can still see your blemishes. Now for Corrector, I use 2 colours, a lighter one for underneath my eyes to brighten them, and a deeper one on my blemishes and pigmentation to cut through the depth. Tap and blend out the Corrector using the full coverage touch-up brush. Next up, Instant Full Cover Concealer. A great pro tip is to apply a little on the palm of your hand to warm the concealer up. Then use the concealer blending brush to pick it up and apply where you need extra coverage. Another great tip is to wait for 2 minutes to let the concealer set so that it stays full coverage only where you have applied it. To set my makeup, I'm using the sheer press powder and eye blender brush just where I can see any excess shine, like through my T-zone, cheeks and chin, and also tapping a little where my blemishes are. Creating a pretty glow on my skin using Afternoon Glow highlighter on the high points of my cheeks, bridge and tip of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Going into Cool Almond foundation stick as a bronzer. Again, I like popping a little on my hand, picking up with my brush and blending where I want a little warmth. For blusher, I am loving mixing Pale Pink and Fresh Melon Pot Rouge to create a pretty peachy pink flush. How gorgeous is that combo? Starting with the color Pale Cream all over my eyes, then picking up Pink Champagne with my finger, applying it on my lid and softly blending it out with the eye blender brush. Now taking Bold Burgundy with the Smokey eyeliner brush and pressing all through my top lash line from corner to corner. Then going into Pinot Noir, sweeping over Bold Burgundy to create a smoky diffuse liner, then taking a clean eyeshadow brush to buff it all out. I'm also going in with a little extra Pinot Noir on the bottom lash line. Of course, finishing the eye look with Smoky Eye Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I wanted to create a berry lip to go with this look, so I used Rum Raisin lip liner to line my lips and also in the outer corners, then combined it with Juicy Date crushed lip color. I think this is going to be a new favorite lip combo. And there you have it, my completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.